So after working on our house for 7 full years and still having to do the kitchen and the 2 bathrooms and a number of tasks outside, this house is going to give us the necessary funds to finish everything we're doing on our house by the end of next year, particularly on the inside. This is a rental property I've owned for some 18 years. I'm going to sell it so I can get the cash to finish my house. Let's go ahead and have a look. This is the front living room. I did a major remodel on this house some 9 years ago, and I tiled this house myself. Over there was an open archway that led into the dining room. I walled that up, and then I expanded this archway here. It was like 36 inches. I took it to like 48 inches, 4 feet. Went from 3 feet to 4 feet width. This tile is 20-inch tile, which I'll never do again. It's just too heavy. And here's the kitchen. It's all electric in this house. There's no natural gas. We're going to refinish those countertops before we sell the house. We're going to do 3 major things to this house. We're going to refinish the countertops. We'll put wood flooring in the master bedroom to pull the carpet out. And I'm going to re-roof the house, have the house re-roofed. Here's a sliding glass door, key door to the back. And then here's your basic dining room. This is the master bedroom. I'm going to pull this carpet out. I'm going to pull that baseboard. Put a wood flooring in here. It's going to really help a resale. Go around here, there's a walk-in closet there. It's pretty good size. And over here is the walk-in to the bathroom for the master bedroom. You can see it there. We're also going to refinish these, both the tub and the shower. So I'm going to have this shower refinished. When it's done, it'll look brand new. It's about $1,000 to refinish that shower. And then whenever I do these showers, that rod you see back there that's in the shower, I'm going to have them pull that out and patch that up, because that rod, that's a source of water getting behind the wall there. Those things can leak. But this shower is pretty beat up. Looks pretty grungy.